Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we welcome you all viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. So in today's video we're gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. So head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach here you search for this app. It's known as Focus VPN Cloud. So you search for that, and among the presented, please you pick this one, Focus VPN Cloud Internet. So make sure to install the right app, take note of the app name, and also take note of the app icon. Before using this VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions and make sure that you follow them. And make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure that you follow them. Additionally, make sure to read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. So after doing that, you're required to set up the app. So you open the app to set it up by tapping on the open button, and it will land on its home screen where the setup begins. So from here you'll be required to set up the app. First of all, you tap right here in the three lines. Then you tap on this update button among the presented, and the app will start to check for the available updates. And after updating the app resources, this app will update to its latest version, ready to provide you with its newly configured settings, ready to provide you with a fast and secure connection. And after that, you're required to pick up, like, you can either pick your country name or you can pick a connection method right here. So in today's video we have just chosen UDP, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. If your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you. So you can just tap here, then you pick UDP as your connection method. Or if UDP is not working in your country, simply tap here, pick your country name, and you'll be able to connect. So UDP is fast and secure as we are online. So I recommend you to pick the UDP as your connection method. After that, you're required to add on time where you see timer. So you tap here, and then you'll be able to increase on the connection time when you are using Focus VPN. And to ensure a fast and a secure connection and to add extra protection when you are online, and also to enhance on your online activities, simply tap on the start button. When you tap on the start button, the app will be connected right away. As you can see right here, the app is right now connected, and that's how we set up Focus VPN Cloud with UDP settings to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when we are online.